He goes to the kitchen. He opens the fridge. The fridge is where we keep our food cold. Oh no! There is no food inside. The fridge is completely empty. He has nothing to cook for lunch.
He has a great idea. He needs to go shopping. He will buy fresh food to make a nice meal. First, he must write a list. It is good to know what you want to buy before you go.
He leaves his house and walks outside. The weather is nice today. It is a short walk to the store.
He arrives at the supermarket. A supermarket is a very big store. You can buy many types of food here.
He gets a shopping cart. A shopping cart helps him carry heavy things. Now, he can start looking for food.
He walks down the first aisle. An aisle is the space between the shelves. There are many items here.
Hello, this is our friend. Today, he feels very hungry. It is time to eat lunch. But what can he eat?
This is his shopping list. It helps him remember everything. He needs fruit, vegetables, meat, and bread.
He takes his shopping bag. Taking your own bag is good for the environment. Now, he is ready to go.
He opens the door and enters the supermarket. Inside, it is very bright and busy. There is food everywhere.
He looks at his shopping list again. What is the first thing he needs? Ah, he needs some fresh fruit. He goes to the fruit section. He sees some big red apples. Apples are very sweet and healthy. Next, he finds the bananas. Bananas are yellow and delicious. He picks a bunch of bananas for his cart.
He puts the fresh fruit into his shopping cart. Eating fruit every day is very good for your body.
Now, he needs vegetables. Vegetables are green, orange, and red plants we eat. They make us strong. He finds the carrots. Carrots are long, orange, and very crunchy. He takes a bunch of fresh carrots. He also needs a tomato. Tomatoes are red and juicy. They are perfect for making a fresh salad.
He checks his list. He has all the fruits and vegetables. Next, he needs to find the dairy section.
He walks to the dairy section. It is very cold here. They must keep these foods cold so they stay fresh.
He picks up a carton of milk. He likes to drink milk in the morning. It is good for his bones. He always checks the date. This is the expiration date. It tells you if the milk is still safe to drink.
He also grabs some cheese. Cheese is made from milk. It is yellow and tastes great on a sandwich.
He finds the eggs. He opens the box to check them. He wants to make sure none of them are broken.
Now he needs some meat for dinner. He walks toward the butcher counter. The butcher cuts the meat. He asks for some chicken. Chicken is a popular meat. He will cook the chicken with his carrots. He also sees some fish. Fish comes from the sea. Maybe he will buy fish next time.
Wow, something smells very good! He is near the bakery section. The bakery is where they make bread and cakes. He buys a long loaf of fresh bread. The bread is still warm. It will be perfect for his lunch. He walks down the pantry aisle. He needs some rice. Rice is very easy to cook and tastes great.
He looks at pasta and rice. He must choose one.
To choose means to decide what you want. He chooses the pasta. Pasta comes in many shapes. Today, he wants to eat pasta with his chicken.
Walking around makes him thirsty. Being thirsty means you need a drink. He goes to find some drinks.
He takes a big bottle of water. Drinking water is the best way to stay healthy and strong. He walks past the snack aisle. Snacks are small foods you eat between meals. He sees some potato chips.
But he says no. Too many snacks are not good for you. He decides to leave the chips on the shelf.
He looks at his shopping cart. It is totally full. He has all the food he needs for the week.
He crosses the last item off his shopping list. He is finished shopping. Now, it is time to pay.
He walks to the front of the supermarket. He must go to the cashier. The cashier is the person who takes the money.
There are other people paying. He has to wait in line. Waiting in line is polite.
It is his turn. He takes the food out of his cart. He puts the food on the moving belt. The cashier scans the food. The scanner reads the barcode. The barcode tells the computer how much it costs. He looks at the screen. The screen shows the total price. The price is how much money he must pay.
He takes out his wallet. A wallet is where you keep your money and cards safely. He can pay with cash or a card. Today, he chooses to pay with his credit card. It is very fast. The cashier gives him a receipt. The receipt is a piece of paper that proves he paid for the food.
He puts all his food into his own bag. This is called bagging your groceries. He packs them carefully. He leaves the supermarket. His bag is very heavy, but he feels very happy. He bought many good things.
He is back home. The fridge is full of fresh food again. Now it is time to cook a delicious lunch. Goodbye.